The Custom Data Recorder app is an Android application designed to enable users to collect, record, and manage various types of data conveniently. This app serves as a versatile tool for tracking information, ranging from personal habits and health metrics to project-related data and daily activities. Users can customize the app to fit their specific data recording needs, creating personalized fields and categories to suit their preferences. The interface is typically user-friendly, allowing for quick entries and easy navigation through recorded data. Many versions of the app also offer features such as data visualization tools, allowing users to analyze trends and patterns over time. Additionally, the Custom Data Recorder may include options for exporting data to other formats, sharing information with others, or setting reminders for regular entries. Overall, this application is ideal for individuals seeking to enhance their organization, productivity, and data management on their Android devices.